I got my new toy, ARRMA Kraton. I'm not gonna do a review because there's loads out there already, but just show you what it looks like on the inside. I got two of these batteries, and when I received it, it got damaged in the post. I got in contact with modelsport.co.uk and they said to send it back. I sent it back, and hopefully I should be getting my replacement one soon. Until then, I can't drive it, but it's okay. I've got my JLB cheetah. Yeah, can't wait to drive this. It's gonna be mad. Thanks for watching, guys. I know I don't make many videos, but I'm not a full-time YouTuber, but I'll try my best to make more videos. Well, now that I got the Kraton, I'll be making more videos, so just have some patience. And don't forget to like and subscribe.